How you doing, everybody? Random here. So we're gonna mess around with this American 5200 that I received in a trade from Bobby Keys. I'm pretty stoked. I watched one of these go to Bill Picardi, and he played around with it forever. And I was like, well, it can't be that hard. Well, yeah, he's totally right. It sucks. It's been outside for a long time. It's full of corrosion. I've talked about this before. Some of the older locks that are outside that have been stuck to the weather, it can be a lot more difficult than a brand new one. So I went outside to the shop and I made this 15 thou pick. Just something easy, just so I could try to get in there. I started off with a 15 thou standard hook, and unfortunately it just wasn't deep enough. And when I made this, I realized that pin 4 is stuck halfway. So you can pick and pick and pick on it, unless you can get it to set to the bottom. Then I don't think anything's gonna happen. So hopefully this is the try. The keyway on it is actually a master keyway, and if you got a blank for it, it's a 5MA6. It is the restricted, as they love to do. American Lock, who's of course now my master, loves to do their restricted, so all they do is pick a random old master keyway and pin that up. So enough of me rambling, let's try to open this sucker and find out what we got inside. Okay, so I can tell you from playing that I need to make sure that pin, I think it's a 6 or 6. Yeah, 6. Do anything. And I might be wrong. It could be pin 5. And it's stuck halfway again. This is pin 4 right now I'm on. A couple light little clicks. Heard something drop. Two clicks. And we already got 1, 2 are springy. I didn't hear anything drop. I'm gonna go back to pin 5 is springy. Little turn on the core. I'm pretty sure it's overset. It's that sticky pin. I'll pull it out, give it some rakes. My goal is to try to get that pin to drop so I can set him properly. So 5 again is springy. had to release the tension a little bit to try to get that pin set properly. Now I'm moving back up to pin 3. Pin 2. Aha, there we go. Yeah, pin 5, or pin 4. I believe it's pin 4. We're gonna find out. One of them stuck. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, Bill, if you're watching, that was like a good hour or more of messing around until I realized what was stuck on it. And I have a feeling, like you said on yours, grime and junk and dirt and dust. And it's a US lock, so, you know, Lord knows what country or what part of your country it was sitting in. Like, you got deserts. We don't got deserts here in Canada. Oh, we got a snow. That is a newer. That's one of those funky ones. I gotta get a towel because it is covered in crap. I thought it was a 6. Maybe it is only a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is only a 5. So pin 4 was the one that was stuck. And I think I can replace that actuator, but I'll probably just leave it. So now, if I'm not mistaken, there's a certain way to orientate this. Aha, ha, 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 there we go. No, we're not going to get that lucky. It's not going to be the new follower. But let's see. I think I'm going to shim that. Well, maybe not. I go like that just a bit. I should clear. Oh, you bugger. It's those copper indents. There you go. Just gotta figure out how we're gonna. No. We just might have to dump this a different way. Pin 1. I'm not that prepared and expect to get it open. Thought it was gonna. Oh, that's the top of pin 5. That's the stuck one right there. Okay, we do have springs and everything so far. Okay, the key pins. You know, for being a U.S. government lock, they really did cheap out. There's no security, but it was very tough. And I did spray some stuff in there, so. Now, I know I didn't pull a spring in a number 5. Is there even a spring in there? I hate to say it, but I don't even think there's a spring in number 5. Oh, yes there is. I hear you're on camera saying it's over there. There we go. Okay. So that's what's inside this American 5200. I don't even know if I'm going to put this core back in. I think I might actually convert it to a 6-spinner. I'll zoom in for you. Hopefully the camera doesn't fade out like it likes to when I zoom in too close. So it looks like pin 4 had a serrated spool thingamabobber. Just serrated top and the bottom, sharp serrations. So that was the only security pin. Oops, sorry. I might have wanted a camera. There was the only security pin. So thanks again, Bobby, for sending this to me. It's super awesome of you. Really appreciate it. And we will get it working and stick it in my collection. So yeah, there's the blank for it. So if you're looking for something that fits this weird 5200 US one, it's a Master 5 MA6. So take care and support your local locksmith.